Hey guys, Dean here, just shooting a little short video to let you know what's coming up inside the engine room and Warriors for the month of January. We expect with this that perhaps some of you will be away enjoying some much needed R&R, or perhaps you're easing yourself back into workshop operations after having enjoyed a nice Christmas break with family and friends. Either way, on Wednesday the 4th and Thursday the 5th of January, there are no webinars because the Workshop Whisperer will still be on leave. So Wednesday the 4th and Thursday the 5th, no webinars to attend to. Kicking off on Wednesday the 11th though, we'll be jumping back in with our first Wednesday webinar, which is all about KPIs and knowing your target. What we're going to cover there is 3 of the most critical KPIs that you need to ensure are implemented in your business, and also how to calculate them. So if benchmarking and KPIs are your thing, and they probably should be, then you're going to want to join us on Wednesday the 11th of January for that webinar. On Wednesday the 18th of January, we've got Regan Crook in the hot seat. Regan's been with us for I think nearly over a year now, if not over a year, and has made some significant progress, some significant gains in his auto repair shop. So come and listen to Regan share his journey over the last 12 months or so, and how he's implemented all of the improvements in his auto repair shop. Looking forward to that one. On Thursday the 19th of January, we've got the Engine Room Profit First Progress Report. That's going to be hosted by David Newman again from Frontier Accounting. Again, another good opportunity to get a fresh take, fresh insights, fresh perspective from a qualified accountant who's also qualified Profit First professional. So super excited to have David on that call. On Wednesday the 25th of January, it's the 90-day game plan Mastermind. Come along and have your most pressing priorities pulled apart by a bunch of clever cats in our 8-minute Mastermind format. And then, of course, on Thursday, the 26th of January, it is Australia Day. We'll all be enjoying a public holiday. So there'll be no Profit First webinar, no pit crew, no Warriors Mastermind, everything on the 26th of January. You can just sit back, pop a shrimp on the barbie, or whatever your delicacy of choice is, and enjoy, hopefully, a day in the Aussie or New Zealand summer sun. So that is what's on in January. Pop them in your diary now so you can get to as many of those webinars as you possibly can. And we look forward to kicking off the new year in style.